Welcome to the universe's greatest show. From the birth of stars to breathtaking collisions, the cosmos presents us with celestial wonders that defy imagination. But what happens when these giants collide? Stars are born from vast clouds of gas and dust, swirling together under the force of gravity. They spend most of their lives in a tranquil state, peacefully fusing hydrogen into helium, a process that lights up our night sky and generates energy for billions of years. But what happens when these celestial giants collide? The collision of stars unleashes unimaginable amounts of energy, creating powerful shock waves, blinding light, and intense radiation that can outshine entire galaxies. These collisions can lead to the birth of entirely new stars, or even the formation of black holes, regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. There are various types of stellar collisions, each with its own dramatic outcomes. When binary stars collide, they can create a nova or supernova, spectacularly illuminating their surroundings. Neutron stars, incredibly dense remnants of supernova, can also collide, generating gravitational waves, ripples in space-time that echo across the universe. And when black holes merge, the fusion is catastrophic, unleashing intense gravitational forces that can warp the fabric of space-time itself. The aftermath of these stellar collisions can be just as fascinating as the events themselves. The remnants of a collision can create new elements, which are scattered throughout the galaxy. These energetic events contribute significantly to the cycle of star birth and death, fueling the continuous transformation of the universe. Understanding stellar collisions is crucial for grasping the evolution of the universe. These cosmic events offer invaluable insights into the nature of gravity, star formation, and the life cycle of galaxies. From the birth of stars to their dramatic deaths, stellar collisions remind us of the immense power and beauty of the universe. They shape the cosmos, driving the continuous cycle of creation and destruction. As we gaze into the infinite expanse of the universe, we're left in awe of the spectacular processes that govern the cosmos. Stellar collisions are not just violent events, but rather beautiful dances of energy and matter that contribute to the universe's grand narrative. Every stellar collision contributes to the very fabric of the universe, reminding us of our place within it. The elements that form our bodies were once forged in the heart of stars, and scattered by these extraordinary events, the universe continues to hold mysteries that challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. So next time you look up at the night sky, remember, it's all part of a colossal cosmic ballet. If you're intrigued by the universe and the wonders it holds, share your thoughts about stellar collisions in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and seek out more captivating stories about our cosmos in our future videos. Thank you for joining us on this astronomical journey. Remember, the universe is dying to share its secrets with those curious enough to listen.